So this leash is roughly 4 to 5 years old. It's seen about 1,000 leash falls and more. Now we're going to try and open it and see how the rope is doing inside. Das muss jetzt nicht mehr unbedingt filmen. Ja.
Aha! Ja, nie gewusst, wie das heißt. Aber du hast gesagt, da gibt es. Das ist ja krass, der Leash. Und nicht so eine Tüte krass, wenn du zuerst mal lang ist, hast du gut den Stil.
Very nice.
Oh. What's in and out?
Krass, schau mal. So as you can see, there's one quite pronounced flat spot where the rope's been squashed. There's others similar, but not quite as bad. But other than that, it still looks very shiny. And yeah, there's nothing much we can say about it really, but it's interesting to see. Concerning the leash rings, we found that it's important to check the outside, because the leash of course touches the outside, for burrs. As you can see, this one doesn't have any significant burrs, but it does have a lot of dings and little dents. The inside should also be smooth, but there really isn't any reason for that not to be smooth, but still make sure you check that. But other than that, this leash ring has been in use for 4 to 5 years, and we don't see any problem in continuing to use this. So if you're not sure about the safety of the dings and dents, then you just twist them and you have another 5 years of life in your rings.